Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to see how to play the New York problem game. So you go to the website, you'll be given the address during the event, and then what happens is either if you've never logged in before, you sign up to create your user account, or if you already have a user account, like that's my case, then you just log in, enter your email address at the top here, and then your password. You click on sign in, and that's it, you're in the game. So a couple of things. There is at the very bottom of this game some graphic settings. So if you click on background color black to white, then it's gonna switch things between black and white. Also, there is a medium to high setting if your computer has a graphic card. If it doesn't, it will by default revert to a simpler graphic mode. So if you click on high, then everything is in 3D. So another thing is the aim of the game is to minimize pressure deficit in all the nodes of this network, and also minimize cost. Every time you replace a pipe with another pipe of a bigger diameter, your cost will increase. So you will have to find a balance to optimize the performance of the water pressure while minimizing the cost. This is the beginning of the game. This is the default solution setting. So as you can see, some nodes are red. You can see a scale at the upper left corner that shows you the pressure deficit. So you need to have all these red nodes, orange or even yellow nodes, to become green, and that means that every node receives water. But you also need to be careful about how much money you're going to spend. In order to change a pipe, you would put your mouse over that particular pipe, like here, and you will see information about that pipe, and you click on it, left click, and then you can choose whatever diameter you want that pipe to have. So let's say every single different diameter has a different cost associated with it, as you can see on the left side of the screen. When I move the mouse, you will see the pipe cost, the total costs change. So I'm gonna replace it with a very big pipe, for example, and then you'd see everything is gray because we don't have the pressure data yet, so we need to compute it. Now we've changed the network, so you click on compute new results, and suddenly you can see that this other node is now green, but your cost has also increased. There is a couple of things regarding the use of the game. So if you press the left mouse button somewhere and you rotate around your view with the mouse, you can then have a good different view of the problem of the network. If also you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can use the mouse wheel or whatever equivalent exists if you don't have a mouse and use a trackpad on the laptop. Also, there is a couple of buttons at the very lower left. One is to start with a solution which is with minimum cost, so the default solution with which you would start normally. So you click on minimum cost and it resets everything to this. Otherwise, you could also click on maximum pressure, and then it will replace all the pipes with the biggest possible diameter, but also the greatest cost. And you can start as well from this solution. Every time you create a new solution and compute a result, you could see that the results will be available over there. So if you click on a previous solution, then you'll be able to check something. So let's say I've got a previous solution which was actually a default one. If I click on it, then you'll revert to that past solution. Okay, there is also an help which is available. So upper right corner is this eye here. If you click on it, and you'll get some more explanation. There's also a link to a video tutorial on YouTube. So best of luck and goodbye.